I have created this video, What is a Preposition?, in response to the many emails I have received from parents asking how to teach kids prepositions. So let's get started. A preposition is a word such as by, doing, on, to, that is used before a noun or pronoun to link its relationship with other words in the sentence. There are several different categories of prepositions, and today in this video we're going to focus on 4 of them: common prepositions, prepositions that tell about time, prepositions that tell about location, and prepositions that tell about direction. Use this template to introduce kids to the first category, common prepositions. Now introduce kids to our first category of prepositions, our common prepositions. So let's look at our first sentence. The cake was made by Emily. By is the preposition that is in front of the noun Emily that links Emily to the word cake. Let's go down to this sentence. He was looking for his dog. For is the preposition that comes before the noun dog that links dog to the word he. It is from Beverly. From is the preposition that comes before the noun Beverly and links Beverly to the word it. He has a box of empty cans. Of is the preposition that comes before the noun cans and links cans, to the word box. Then we have she sits with her new friend. With is the preposition that comes before the noun friend and links friend to the word she. This is a template for the first practice page kids will complete, and this is the template that is used in the demonstration lesson. Now have kids complete each sentence with a common preposition found in the word bank. So in the word bank we have by and then by, so 2 sentences will use the word by or the preposition by. Then we have for, from, of, and with. And kids can look back at the slide that we just went through. It is Beverly. It is from Beverly. F-R-O-M. And then we're going to cross it off. He was looking his dog. He was looking for his dog. So the preposition is for. Ooh, there it is. He has a box empty cans. He has a box of empty cans. Take off of and write of in the space. This is a new one. The points were scored or blank Sarah. We have 2 different types of words left, or 2 different prepositions left, by and with. The points were scored by Sarah, or the points were scored with Sarah. She is the one that kicked the soccer ball into the net and made the goal. So she is the one that scored the points. So we are going to say the points were scored by Sarah, and we'll cross off one of the words that is by. She eats blank her new friend. By her new friend or with her new friend? They are together, so we are going to say with her new friend. And our last one, well, let's cross that off. We have one left. It is by. The cake was made by Emily, and that one works. So we'll write it in there, cross it off here, and let's review our sentence again. Sentences again. It is from Beverly. From is the preposition. He was looking for his dog. For is the preposition. He has a box of empty cans. Of is the preposition. The points were scored by Sarah. By is the preposition. She eats with her new friend. With is the preposition. And our last sentence, the cake was made by Emily. By is the preposition. And this is a completed example. The next 3 templates are used to make the preposition word mat to give kids further practice in identifying the prepositions in each sentence. Now we have put our preposition word mat with common prepositions together, and we have the categories of pictures, the categories of sentences, and the category of prepositions. And to help when you're putting the word mat together, each category is identified on the mat. Picture, sentence, and preposition. So our first one is actually done for us. We're going to have the picture match the sentence and match the preposition. So this is a girl with a cake. The sentence says, the cake was made by Emily. That matches. And then our preposition that is in the sentence is the word by, and this is by. All of the next ones are not going to be in the correct order to match. So kids have to flip through and find the correct one. Let's look at this. We see cans and a boy. Let's see which one would make sense. Oh, this one is matching. He has an empty box of cans. That does match. There's the box, and he's going to put it in the recycle bin where there are cans. And, oh, that is of. This is by, so we need to find the correct preposition to match. With is not the right one. From is not the right one. Of. So now we have all 3 matching. The picture, the sentence, and the preposition. Let's try one more. Oh, I see 2 girls there. Let's look at the next one. Oh, here it is. She eats with her new friend. That sounds right. Our preposition is with. For is not the correct one. I think we have to go back to the beginning. Let's go back here. By is not the correct one. Oh, and there it is. With. Now introduce kids to our second category of prepositions. Prepositions that tell about time. Look at the first example with kids. The cat takes extra naps during winter. During is a preposition and it joins winter with naps, and they both happen at the same time. Our second sentence is, she was home before dessert. The preposition is before, and it connects dessert to home, and it shows an earlier time. Our third sentence is, he's been a reader since May. Since is the preposition, and it connects May with reader, and it shows a past time to now. Our next sentence is, the bus won't be here until noon. Until is the preposition, and it connects noon and here. So it shows up to a specific time. And our last one is, he walked home after school. After is the preposition. It connects school with home, and it shows a later time. Now, together with kids, complete this guided practice page, prepositions that tell about time. The kids will choose the correct word from the word bank, and there are 6 words in the word bank and 6 sentences. Have them pick the correct word and write it in each sentence. As I said at the beginning of this page, it is a guided practice page, and that means kids probably will need your support to complete it, and that is perfectly fine because they are learning this new category. This is a completed example. And these are the 3 templates needed to make the preposition word mat for time prepositions. And as always, this will be listed, the link for these templates will be listed in the description section. Now introduce kids to our third category, prepositions that tell about location. Let's look at our first sentence. They are on the field. On is the preposition, and it connects field and they. Our next one, the lunches are inside the pail. Inside is the preposition, and it connects pail with lunches. The ice chest is near the picnic table. Near is our preposition, and it connects table with chest. The raccoon hid behind the tree. Behind is the preposition, and it connects tree with raccoon. And our last one, the cat sleeps in my room. In is the preposition, and it connects room and cat. And this is a guided practice to complete with kids about prepositions that tell about location. There are 6 words in the word bank for kids to choose from, and there are 6 sentences to complete. And this is a completed example. And these are the 3 templates to make the preposition word mat for location. Now introduce kids to prepositions that tell about direction, moving from one place to another. In our first example, we have the sentence, the bus went across the bridge. Across is the preposition, and it connects bridge to bus. The horse ran through the tunnel. Through is our preposition,
and it connects tunnel to horse. He walks to school. To is a preposition, and it connects school to he. The snail crawled onto the sidewalk. Onto is the preposition, and it connects sidewalk to snail. And our last one, the bus rode along the street. Along is the preposition, and it connects street to bus. Now have kids complete this guided practice page, and again, they probably will need support, which is just fine. There are 6 words in the word bank, and there are 6 sentences to fill in. This is a completed example. These are the 3 templates to make the preposition word map for direction. We end with the reference chart for the 4 categories of prepositions that kids learned today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And as always, the link for all the templates shown in this video will be listed in the description section.